Implementation industries in the USA, pioneering the future. Introduction. Welcome to AIFUTURETRENDHUB, your gateway to the latest in cutting-edge technologies, trends, and innovations. In today's exploration, we venture into the dynamic realm of implementation industries in the United States. These industries serve as the engine driving progress, transforming ideas into tangible realities, fueling economic growth, and reshaping various sectors. Join us as we delve deeper into the pivotal role played by these industries in shaping the future landscape of innovation and development. Understanding implementation industries. Implementation industries serve as the backbone of societal advancement, bridging the chasm between conceptualization and actualization. These sectors specialize in translating ideas, strategies, and plans into actionable outcomes, driving progress across diverse domains. Here are some key implementation industries thriving in the USA. 1. Information technology, IT, consulting, and implementation. The IT sector stands as a powerhouse, offering a myriad of solutions to businesses spanning various industries. IT consultants play a pivotal role in analyzing organizational needs, designing tailored strategies, and orchestrating the seamless implementation of technology solutions. From bespoke software development to robust cybersecurity frameworks, IT consulting serves as the linchpin for driving efficiency, fostering innovation, and empowering businesses to thrive in the digital age. 2. Healthcare implementation. The healthcare landscape is characterized by rapid innovation and evolution, with successful implementations serving as a cornerstone for progress. Technologies such as electronic health records, EHRs, telemedicine platforms, and advanced medical device integration have revolutionized the delivery of patient care. Healthcare professionals collaborate closely with experts to navigate the complexities of implementation, ensuring the seamless adoption of transformative solutions that enhance clinical outcomes, streamline operations, and improve patient experiences. 3. Manufacturing and industrial implementation. Efficient implementation lies at the heart of modern manufacturing processes, driving productivity, efficiency, and competitiveness. Automation, robotics, and advanced supply chain management techniques have ushered in the era of Industry 4.0, where smart technologies seamlessly integrate to optimize production processes. Industry leaders continually embrace innovative implementation strategies to stay ahead in the dynamic landscape, propelling the manufacturing sector towards new frontiers of growth, sustainability, and resilience. 4. Infrastructure and construction implementation. The construction of critical infrastructure projects demands meticulous planning, precise execution, and unwavering commitment to implementation excellence. From towering skyscrapers to intricate transportation networks, infrastructure projects play a pivotal role in shaping the socio-economic fabric of communities. Successful implementation ensures the development of safe, sustainable, and resilient structures that serve as enduring symbols of human ingenuity and progress. 5. Energy and renewable implementation. The transition towards sustainable energy sources hinges upon effective implementation strategies that drive adoption and integration at scale. Renewable energy technologies such as solar panels, wind turbines, and grid modernization initiatives hold the key in mitigating climate change and securing a greener future. Energy companies collaborate with policymakers, engineers, and environmental advocates to navigate the complexities of implementation, ushering in a new era of clean energy dominance and environmental stewardship. Challenges and opportunities. While implementation industries hold immense promise for driving progress, they are not immune to challenges that can impede their success. Budget constraints, resistance to change, and regulatory hurdles often pose significant obstacles on the path to successful implementation. However, amidst these challenges lie abundant opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and growth. Leveraging the power of data analytics for informed decision-making, embracing agile methodologies to adapt swiftly to evolving landscapes, and fostering cross-industry collaboration for holistic solutions represent key avenues for overcoming challenges and unlocking the full potential of implementation industries. Case study: American Implement. A shining exemplar of implementation excellence can be found in American Implement, a family-owned dealership that has blossomed into one of the largest John Deere dealers in the Midwest. With 16 locations and a dedicated team of 400 employees, American Implement stands as a testament to the transformative power of effective implementation. Their unwavering commitment to excellence ensures that farmers and ranchers have access to cutting-edge equipment, technologies, and support services, thereby driving agricultural productivity, sustainability, and prosperity in the heartland of America. Conclusion. As we chart a course towards the future, implementation industries stand poised at the forefront of innovation, progress, and transformation. Whether it be the deployment of AI-driven solutions, the development of sustainable infrastructure, or the advancement of healthcare innovations, successful implementation remains the linchpin that shapes our collective destiny. Remember to like this video, subscribe to AIFUTURETRENDHUB, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, let us continue to innovate, collaborate, and pave the way towards a brighter tomorrow. Are you enjoying our eye-focused content? By tapping the like button and subscribing to our channel, you're not just expressing your gratitude for the knowledge we share, but also fueling our ability to keep offering cutting-edge insights and information to assist you in mastering the intricacies of AI technology and its applications. Together, let's embark on this journey toward AI literacy and empowerment. Your ongoing support means the world to us. Until our next update, stay informed, stay inspired, and stay empowered by AI.